And you know what? I just want to take you to the moon if you're not afraid. Dance around all this drama like Cassius Clay, you know.
Sleaze TV, y'all. Apes are coming. If y'all didn't know the apes are coming, y'all gonna realize the apes are coming real shortly. You know what I mean? The director, Sleaze TV. Ken Robinson's director. Troy Jeffries, artist. Isaiah Gilliard. Burke Nowinski. Y'all better understand, man, if y'all ain't part of this movement, y'all got another thing coming, cause we working while y'all sleeping. We drinking coffee to stay up while y'all snoozing. You know, we fucking bitches on our off time. We ain't never got off time, so we always fucking them and ducking them and plucking them like a booger. You know what I'm saying? Sleaze TV, like I always say, man, don't get you a cheesesteak, get you a sleaze steak, cause we wild beefy on this side. And the corner click, all purpose enterprises. Been over bitch records, and I'm gorgeous, baby. Y'all feel us or hate us, man. I don't give a fuck what y'all do, but I want y'all to understand, man. We love you all people everywhere. So don't fuck with us, man. Love us, man. We only want love, that's all we want. We ain't dealing with the negative bullshit. We dealing with everything positive, man. Hurricane City, baby. Y'all better sponsor us, Hurricane, cause I don't even drink this shit. I'm on my OE shit for the West Side, Dr. Dre, Snoop Dogg shit, man. At the same time, I show love, that's how we do it. We in the studio working all day, we in Richmond Cap City. Y'all faggots ever come out Richmond Cap City, man? It's murder capital, Sleaze TV, bitches. Gorgeous, baby.